Lumaki ako sa isang broken family, mainly because yung dad ko, aside from hindi na nga good provider, nangaliwa pa, sobrang galit ako nun sa kanya, that when he passed away, when I was still in high school, parang wala akong naramdaman na lungkot. Mom raised us na magkakapatid. Sobrang hirap and di kami natutukan ng maayos and I still blame him even up to this day for putting us in that situation. Kaya I promised myself na pag ako naging successful, I will give back to mom talaga. Recently, nalaman ko na lang na yung mom ko is having an affair with a married man. Sobrang inis ko nung nalaman ko kasi aware siya na merong 3 kids yung lalaki. The very thing na I hated my dad for so long, ngayon involved yung mom ko na sobrang nirerespeto ko buong buhay ko, merong magsasabi dito na hayaan na lang, buhay niya naman yun and matanda naman na sila. Hindi yun yung point bakit ako nainis. Alam ko kasi gaano ka fed up sa pakiramdam na malaman mo na yung dad mo may ibang babae. It ruined me, my siblings and my family. Ang I can only imagine kung ano magiging effect neto sa kids ng lalaki ni mama. It has been more than 20 years noong nalaman ko na may babae si Papa and the feeling of pain, galit etc. nararamdaman ko pa din until today. I have not been talking to my mom for a little 5 months na. Mga kapatid ko hindi ko na din kinakausap. I felt like nagiging cycle na siya sa family and I don't want to be part of it. I just booked a trip to Europe. I initially planned to bring my mom with me and this time ayoko na siya isama. Sabihin na ng mga tao na ang sama kong anak but I need time to process everything. Hindi din naman naging good lahat ng decisions ko sa buhay but I never and would never consciously choose to ruin other people's lives.